If you are a UAE resident planning to visit Finland, understanding how to get Finland visa from Dubai is essential. Finland, a Schengen country, requires travelers from Dubai to get a visa before their trip. This detailed information guide will walk you through everything you need to know about applying for a Finland visa from Dubai, including types of visas, requirements, application procedures, and processing times. Eligibility requirement for Finland visa. UAE residents who wish to visit Finland need to apply for a visa through the Finland Embassy or a visa application center in Dubai. Depending on the purpose of your travel, different types of visas are available. UAE citizens have visa-free access for short stays, up to 90 days. Residents of UAE with other nationalities will likely need to apply for a Schengen visa. Types of Finland visas. Before applying for a Finland visa in Dubai, you should determine which type of visa suits your needs. The most common types of Finland visas include Finland Tourist Visa, for tourists visiting Finland for short-term leisure trips. Finland Business Visa, for those traveling for business purposes, meetings, or conferences. Finland visa requirements from Dubai. To successfully obtain a Finland travel visa, you must meet specific eligibility criteria. The general Finland visa requirements for all UAE residents include a valid UAE residence visa, with at least 3 months validity beyond the return date, a valid passport for at least 6 months, completed Finland visa application form, 2x passport-sized photographs, as per Schengen visa photo requirements. Travel insurance covers medical emergencies, confirmed round-trip flight tickets, hotel booking or invitation letter from a host in Finland, proof of sufficient financial means, bank statements for the last 3 months, a cover letter stating the purpose of the visit, travel itinerary, employment letter if employed, or trade license copy if self-employed, no objection certificate, NOC, from employer or sponsor. How to apply for a Finland tourist visa from Dubai. Follow these steps to apply for a Finland visa from Dubai. Determine the visa type. Choose the correct visa category based on your travel purpose. Complete the application form. Fill out the Finland visa application form online. Book a visa appointment. Schedule a Finland visa appointment in Dubai with an expert Finland visa consultant at TravNook. Prepare required documents. Gather all necessary documents as per visa requirements. Visit the visa application center. Submit your application and provide biometric data, fingerprints, and photo. Pay the visa fee. The Finland visit visa from Dubai price varies depending on the visa type. Wait for processing. Track your visa status online after submission. Receive your passport. Once processed, collect your passport with the visa sticker. Why visit Finland from Dubai? Finland is an incredible travel destination that offers unique experiences for visitors from Dubai. Here are some compelling reasons to visit Finland. Stunning natural beauty. From the mesmerizing northern lights to pristine lakes and lush forests, Finland boasts breathtaking landscapes. Winter wonderland. Enjoy the magical snow-covered scenery, ski resorts, and Rovaniemi's famous Santa Claus village. Unique cultural experiences. Explore Finnish traditions, saunas, and the vibrant capital city, Helsinki. Wildlife and adventure. Experience husky sledding, ice fishing, and reindeer safaris. Schengen access. With a Schengen visa for Finland, you can also explore other European countries within the Schengen zone. Clean and safe environment. Finland is known for its excellent quality of life, clean air, and peaceful atmosphere. Applying for a Finland visa from Dubai is seamless if you meet the eligibility criteria and provide all the required documents. We have shared all the requirements on how to get a Finland visa from Dubai. With the help of Finland visa experts, the chances of getting visa approval fast are quite high. Visiting Finland by following the correct application steps will help ensure a hassle-free experience. Make sure to apply early and track your application to stay updated on its progress.